Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Sidhi's Mom Studio.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will do general knowledge in this video part 3. Let's start. Rules: 7 questions, 5 seconds. Answer in comment box. When did Mahatma Gandhi visit Odisha for the first time? Answer is 1921. Which among the following state union territory merged with the Punjab in 1966? Answer is Haryana. The 56th Liberation Day of Goa is celebrated on which date in India? Answer is December 19. Which day celebrated its World Press Freedom Day? Answer is 3 May. Which among the following is not a sex-linked character? Answer is Astama. Card Jam is a folk dance of which state? Answer is Tamil Nadu. Which day is celebrated as Human Rights Day? Answer is December 10. Subscribe for part 4. Bye. Do it, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.